Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. How we doing today? Let's get another W. Who's ready? Alright, just making sure everything is working. Yesterday we had a little technical difficulties, but I think we're good. You guys hear me? Okay, everyone's good? All good. You know what, let me move this screen. Sorry, I got like a... Yeah, there. So I can see right here. Okay, cool. Let's get it. Hopefully you guys can hear me, can see my charts. Everything's good. What up, Steve? Good morning. All right, let's do a little recap here. Yesterday during our live, we ended up taking this buy right here. No. It was, wait, where was it right here? This one? Well, you know what? I think it was on this chart. Yeah, right here. We took a nice little quick buy right here. And it's like, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, guys, look at the chart on the 4 hour. Our little position here is like nothing compared to, you know, where the market moved yesterday. And that's what you have to understand. Like during the live sessions, we're in and out, baby. We're just coming in, getting our 10, 15, 20 pips and getting out. Thanking the market and saying goodbye. Look at this. We came in, took our profit, jumped out, and as soon as we did, boom, hit this little resistance, melted. This was obviously a fake out, push back up, and then continue to the upside. But this just goes to show you, you know, you can come in and take a little section of the market, little piece of the pie, and be totally successful day in, day out. All right. So this was a trade we took yesterday on the live. And then we had in the Discord, I called out GN where we took this right here. And we didn't take the whole thing, but we ended up taking about 40 pips here and closing out. Obviously it's still a valid trade here. It's pulling back a bit, and I think it's going to continue to work its way down. I'd like to pay attention to this level right here, but you know, last night, like I'm not trying to monitor trades overnight. I'm not trying to exhaust myself. You know, we were in profits, went ahead and took my money and called it a night. And here we are for New York session. So if you're new here, guys, welcome to Lord Banks FX. Consider subscribing, hit the like button if you gain any value out of this. We're going to do live trading here, New York session. I used to do the London session, but changing it up here, doing the New York session now. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. Additionally, I do have a Discord description in the description. The link's in the description. It's totally free. No charge. Everyone's welcome. Right, took 35 plus on GN. Nice. That's what's up. Did you get in on gold yesterday, Steve? During the live? It was a nice day for a Monday. Oh my god. I mean, I made mine bag. And usually, like I said, Mondays can very easily be no trade days. So let's look at a couple things here. No, missed that. Damn. It's all good. Plenty of opportunities in the market. Let's look at gold. We're gonna do how we always do. Clear the charts, blank charts, baby. We start top-down analysis. We're looking at the weekly here. So far, what we're looking at is, looks like it's established its lower wick, and it could be on its way to the top. The past 3 weeks have been bullish, which is a good sign here. Our current trend is set at bullish, right? Came tested here, pushed up, came down, established a higher low. And it only makes sense to possibly come and test this high up here, right? And this is on the weekly, guys. This is higher time frame, so just keep this in mind. Overall direction where higher time frame is looking to go, right? Let's move down to the daily. What do we see? So yesterday we did end the day on a bearish candle, right? July 12th we had a bearish candle. We had a long rejection wick right here, right? This almost looks kind of like a little bearish doji, but you see, the thing is with gold is that it loves to do these liquidity grabs, especially once it's trying to get more like kind of like power to the direction it's going. It's going to come grab the liquidity and then push, grab the liquidity and push. So I'm not too concerned about this, about reversing right here. I'd like to see where this candle ends up. I do like, because I don't see a bottom wick right here. I'm kind of hesitant, but you can, you know, definitely catch a bag. So honestly, right here, like since we broke this market structure right here, I mean, we have nice clean traffic all the way to the upside. So let's move down to the 4 hours, see if we can establish some support and resistance here. The only thing I don't like about this stuff right here is like you have this whole consolidation, dip down, push up, consolidation. So right now it's in this little consolidation phase. So, but I mean, it makes sense. You have a push, consolidation, push, consolidation. So we should get another push here coming soon. Okay. So let's establish some current levels of support and resistance here. For this right here, you know, I want to focus on this area right here. See if we can break above this. Yo, what's good? Ghost Sniper 2. Welcome to the stream, baby. Let's get it. It's 5:45 my time, Central Standard Time, so we got some time. It's pre New York session right now, so kind of moving slow. We look to get some volume and leverage that volume in the New York Open to execute a nice quick scalp trade, get our bag, get out, and you know, throughout the day in the Discord though, I'm calling out trades as well. So remember guys, the strategy that I'm using and the way I trade on the live is different from what I call out in the Discord, right? The Discord is going to be more intraday trading, intraday swing trading type trading, and the trading that I do here in the lives is more scalp, like I'm trying to come in, get my bag and get out, right? All right, so let's look at the support here. You know, this is all choppy. I don't like the way this looks, so I'm putting my area around here, and I want to include this bottom wick, and right here is just a no trade zone. You know, we don't really want to jump in or out anywhere around there, and I would probably look to maybe jump in around here, because I think even this range right here from here to here, yeah, it's about 74 pips. So we're looking at yesterday, and it cut a little wick there anyways, so potentially could fill it on a higher time frame. So it's a nice area to pay attention to, and then breaking below there. Yeah, I like that. I like that right there. And you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and set an alerts right here. Crossing up, create, crossing up, oh, crossing down, sorry. All right, so potentially what we're looking for is catch a bag to break to the upside, quick 10-15 pips. Obviously this could come back, retrace, retest this right here before it continues up for a higher high, but I'm just going to try to catch this little impulse move right there. That's what I'm going to try to do on the live. Okay, same thing for this thing could come down, break to the downside, and it could come back up to retest the zone and then eventually come down for a lower low. Remember guys, our job as traders is not to predict price, right? So that this is why I give you both setups, because since our job is not to predict price, our job is to react to it, right? So I set up my parameters, my experiment or theory, whatever you want to call it. This is what I'm looking for. So at the end of the day, if it goes up or down, I'm trading either way, right? I have no bias here. My bias is at the end of the day, I'm gonna make my little bag, right? You can make money going up and make money going down. Remember that. Sorry guys, I gotta drink this damn drink. Okay, so this is what we're looking at for gold. Let's look at GJ. And you know what? I'm done with GN. Like, GN moves so fucking slow. I'm so frustrated with it. Like, I gave it multiple chances, but you know what? Last week it gave me my first sale in like almost 3 weeks. I think we're like on an 18-20 win streak. And damn it, GN, I had to come back and I had to get my bag off you because it just left a salty taste in my mouth. And I said, you know what? It just felt like disrespect. So I had to come back and, you know, get my little bag. I got it yesterday though, so we're good. We're good. I forgive you, GN, but I ain't gonna trade you. Let's see. I think gold has finished the downtrend and now is going up. Yeah, it could very possibly be, man. But like, you know, I said, our job here is not to predict price, it's to react to it. That gives you the best probability of wins. Okay. As Forex Trade, GJ doing stupidish the past week. That's why I've been trading gold, brother. GN is wicked. Yeah, man. GN is just it's just one of those weird ones, man. Yeah, dude, look at this. Let's just do top-down analysis. Fuck it. Let's see, what do we got? Weekly, what do we see? What do we see? What do we see? We got this nice push up, right? And we got to pull back like that. So this could be a little bullish flag. Could be a retrace. We're on the weekly here, but you know, we see some nice support right here, and we see heavy rejection right there. Lower volume, but we still got the last 3 weeks have been bearish. Okay, could potentially begin to try to fill this wick, right? Got some support right here we have to pay attention to as well, and this is on the weekly. Let's look at the daily. So just to reiterate here, weekly, this is where you see the trend right there. You see what's right in front of you. I know this whole thing has been bullish, but what's right in front of you? It's been moving down. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. Last 7 weeks has failed to create new highs, new highs, new highs. See that? That's what you want to pay attention to. Remember the good old days with GJ? Now it's age like granddad. It can be like that, man, but you know, GJ pays the bills, man. Sometimes it needs a little break, you know. It does that, you know. I think like twice a year, to be honest. But you switch around, you know, like that's why I have GN, GA, GU, you know, like I like the GBP pairs, you know, either way. And then gold, I mean, gold is nice too. But sometimes gold she can be fickle, you know. All right, let's look at the daily. What do we see? What do we see? So we already know the weekly we're on a downtrend, right? For the current trend, right? And if we look at this right here, we're looking at a low here, pull back. This high, it rejected, making a new high up here, came down, made a new low, right? So right now we're bearish on the current daily candle. Yesterday we ended bullish. the day before we ended up bullish engulfing, right? So this could be right now creating the bottom wick before it moves up and creates a new high. But we do have to pay attention to this area right here around 153.69 or 153.70 because this is a nice little area of resistance. So it could come back to test that. And also I would pay attention to the bottom of this wick right here, which is the lows 152.414. And right there, if we start breaking lower than that, then we could test this level of support. If not, then I think we could come test this, potentially break it to this next level. If it decides to continue the trend now of the continuation to the upside. All right, let's look at the 4 hour, see if we can get some support and resistance. All right, so from current price, what do we see? Obviously, we see this level right here, right? We have another level right here. This is where we currently are, right? If we were to be breaking above this, right? We have a nice little range from here to here. About 37 pips, not bad. Oh, you know what? Let me break into the downside. We have this nice little range right here. Boom. So really, we have a better play to the downside, to be honest. And remember, higher time frame, it's been pushing down. So I mean, obviously, we play both sides, you know what I'm saying? We don't really care. We're gonna make our bag regardless, right? So we'll look at something like that, and we'll look at something like this. Got it? Remember, I'm only trading the breakout because we're trading on a live session here. It's a quick 3 hour session, just trying to catch our bag and get out. So it's a quick move like this. You can catch this quick move like this, take your profit, wait for it to come back, create that level of support, get your confirmation of continuation to the upside, and then jump in again. I would probably jump in around, you know, this area once it's pushing up again. Or if you see like a, you know, a certain candlestick pattern, that'll give you that confirmation and confidence to continue jumping into the upside. You could do either way, right? So to the downside here, like I said, I'm just looking for that quick impulse move, boom, down, and then I probably won't, I'll get out and then let it come back, and then, I mean, depending if I see it or whatever, you know, may jump in or whatever. But on the lives, remember, I'm just trading this portion, which is the breakout. Most people will trade, will say, most people will be like, I trade break and retest, right? Which is break, retest, they get in, and then they go. Break, retest, get in. Because we're on a live, I'm just doing a scalp, quick moves, just a breakout. Breakout, breakout, that's what I trade. Get my little 10, 15, 20 pips. Call it a day, thank the markets, come back another one. Is it true the more rejections is a stronger breakout? It is true. And I wouldn't say the more rejections. I would say the more you consolidate, the more price builds up. Think of it as like pressure, right? So the more it just moves within the same area, the more pressure it has to break out like further. So for example, you know, when we were looking at gold, you know, we come look at it on a higher time frame. Look at this huge move down. This was a consolidation. You got the fake out grabbing its liquidity, and then boom, you see this impulse move. Now it's starting to consolidate a bit, and it could continue consolidating, play within this zone before it breaks out. Either way, I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, whatever it ends up doing, it'll you know, it will break out eventually. But the longer the breakout, the bigger the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout, right? So Just keep that in mind. And you know, I'm doing this on the 4 hour, and really we can come down on the 3 hour and get like kind of like a tighter entry here. So we kind of know what we want right here based off of what we set up already. But like I said, you know, you come down to a smaller time frame and it can tell you a little bit of a different story. So you see right here, we have this. See, look at this consolidation, boom. Volume, volume, volume. I mean, honestly, I don't like none of this. None of this besides outside of this. So that's why sometimes it's best to just stick to the higher time frames. Because we got a 1 hour, about 2 minutes left for this 1 hour candle, and look, it's about to close bullish doji. Which is a sign of price exhaustion. The candle body tells us there's low volume, right? There's low volume right now, but the volume is on the side of going up instead of going down, right? So usually you see these when prices changing direction. For example, you come down here, doji pushing up, right? See, moving down here, doji pushed up. Move down, doji push up. So you can continue to see this in the market over and over and over. Push down, doji, push up. Change of direction. Todd FX is lying then, LOL, because he said it's false. What's false? That the more rejections, the stronger the breakout? You know, I don't know who Todd FX is, but I'll tell you this, like, every trader is going to have their own reasoning for how they do things, to be honest. And I'm not going to knock another trader because, you know, I don't know if they're making money or not, but I can tell you one thing, man. I make money, and I make money every day. And you know, like, this is the way I trade. This is the way I explain it. This is the way I explain it to myself. You know, I'm not here selling a course, selling signals, selling premium groups. I know a lot of other traders are doing that on their streams, on their discords, and everything. Everything I have is free. My Discord, my education, my signals, my setups, my breakdowns, my analysis, my one-on-ones, all my answers, all my DMs, everyone that comes to me, I give them everything I have for free. So where do you think I'm making my money from? You know what I'm saying? I really trade, guys. I'm really trading. I can't speak for anyone else. All right. Look at GJ. Ooh. GJ's pushing down. I like that. I like that. Look at this 30-minute. Damn. We started around here. Okay. Well, it looks like it's hitting some support here. Man, it would be nice. You could go 2 to 3 days without a trade. Who? Me? I'm a patient person, man, when it comes to trading. You know, like, it depends on, like, my lives. I try to come in here and get a trade for you guys live, because I know that's what you guys are here for, and I'm here for it too. And I can do it live, but not everybody can do that, you know. Most people will have, like, swing setups, zone to zone stuff, pattern trend trading, where, you know, they're waiting for patterns to execute, and that takes patience and discipline to wait. You know, I'll tell you, whenever I first started trading, I was like, get in. Just I would see something and I'd be like, get in, you know, get in, and I'm jumping in and I'm gonna like, yeah, this is happening, get in, you know. I mean, and I learned the hard way, guys. Like, I mean, I come in here and tell you guys what I've learned based on my lessons, like, and my lessons have all come with price tags. I've blown many accounts. I've lost much, like a lot of money. But you know, I do this here so you guys won't have to, you know, just take my word for it. If not, you know, like if you want to pay for that lesson, bro, go ahead, make the mistake, don't listen to me, pay for the lesson, and then you're gonna come back and be like, oh man, you were right, bro. And that's fine. Like, you know, some people, that's the way they learn. Damn, you know what, this would have been nice. This, right here, we could have probably, that's 16 pips right there. It's all good. I think it's gonna pull back though. Let's look at the news real quick before we forget. We got 7:30 a.m. we got USD news coming out. We don't want to be messing with that. 1201 USD 30-year bond auction, USD, NZD news at 9 p.m. and that is it for the day. Goldman Sachs, Goldman says pandemic is shaping a more productive U.S. economy. Oh, you know what? Gold is gonna, I bet you anything gold's gonna fucking drop because of this. Jesus Christ, and a glass of wine. Patience was my number one enemy, getting better now. Yeah, man, sometimes you just gotta sit on your hands, bro. Like, for me, you know what it was? It was more like the way I was able to really hone in on my patience was making, like, doing my chart markup and then theorizing and just waiting. And even when I would see something to say, okay, this is where I would get in, I'd make a note. And that's another thing, guys. If you're not documenting your trades, like in a trading log, they're like, how do you expect to get better? You know what I'm saying? There's no excuse, guys. If you want this to supplement your income, if you want it to replace your income, if you want it to be taken seriously like that, you got to take it seriously. It's on you. I mean, there's nothing, you know, I can't tell you nothing else other than that, you know. You know what? Damn. Chasing a trade after a loss is a massive problem for new traders. That's why they quit after losing money. Greed is not the answer. Yeah, you know, that's another thing. Don't focus on the money. If you're not profitable and you're not consistent and you're not winning right now, do not focus on the money. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it, because that's a slippery slope. You're going to get inside your head. You're going to start seeing things in the market that's not there, and that's an easy recipe for disaster. Yo, if we get candle closure below here, and you know what, I'm gonna move this down a little bit to fit the 30-minute. Really, it's like it's kind of far, man. It should have been right there. We might have missed this thing. It's all good. It's because you see this right here. Like, I could put it right here, right? But the range right here from here to here is 11 pips. It's not, by the time your spreads and you get in and stuff, it's not worth it. So really I have to put it down here, because in my range from here to the first level here is about 66 pips, which is not bad. Overall, you know, 163 from up here, but up here there's still a lot of traffic. You know, I want something, I want a clean movement. Clean movement, and that clean movement was from right here where we should have, well, actually no, because technically we would have been waiting for the candle closure and nothing would have been closed until this one. So actually, if this closes in 22 minutes, what is it, 15? 15 minute, still didn't close. This is the first candle breaking below. I'll see that, right? The last 5 broke below. We're gonna give it the 30-minute candle, okay? If the 30-minute candle here closes, breaking this level of support, then we have a nice little setup where put our stops right here, about 10 pips, and you know, we'll work here about 20 pips. Hopefully this thing can pull up a bit and give us a better entry. Let's see here. GJ's candles look full, so that's a good sign. Yeah, gold is gonna drop massively in 1 hour, so watch out. Yeah, I think it's gonna drop mainly because of this information right here 9 minutes ago. Goldman says pandemic is shaping a more productive US economy. What does that mean for you guys? If that means a more productive US economy, it means a stronger US dollar. So if we have a stronger US dollar, what is gold doing? Huh? And although everything else fundamentally has told us that the US economy is not doing that, everyone is like hyping it up, and you know, the hyperinflation is real, guys, and it's being propped up, to be honest. It's a house of cards. It's gonna come down, but as long as people keep propping it up like that, you gotta ride that, because that's what everyone's gonna react to, even people that know better. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, honestly, we could see a pull down to come test areas down here. This could be just a big fake out on a bigger time frame with a daily. This could be a pullback here. What does this fib say? Watch. Here's a pullback area. I mean, it's right here, but I mean, it's hit the 38 level already. So it could be a big move like this. Oh, it's not the one I wanted. This. Oh, pull back. Oh, oh. Yep, it's hype talk with 2 biz owners who are rehiring, learn to produce with less people, too much regulation, tax employees, and are not rehiring. Yeah, and that's one of the problems, man. It's like you have to deal with that type of speculation, like, you know, especially like whenever you know, like you see kind of where the market is going and what it's doing and the way it should react is one thing. But then you have to be aware of like the information that can affect that, you know, like this right here. Goldman says pandemic is shaping a more productive U.S. economy. But let's see, what does the U.S. The dollar index say? Dollar index is up, and it's trending up. So what I would say to you guys is we just have to be very careful here. Although I do believe gold will come up at some point, you know, to test these areas. We just have to react to the price. We have to wait. We have to wait. Let's look at the 30-minute though. See, even if we break below here, this is choppy. I would say maybe break below here. Because then we got a nice clean move. And I'm gonna set an alert right there, because this is on the 30-minute. The markup that I did was on the 4-hour. GJ looking like a sell. Oh yeah, we got 17 minutes. Remember, we're gonna give the candle closure. That's another thing, guys. When we're working with these quick moves, we want solid confirmation, which means we're gonna wait for candle closures. Okay, this is where I set this right here. Obviously, I would like for a better entry, and I might even put my stops above this. The last bullish candle, about 13 pip stops. Well, right here is about 16 pips. And you know, I mean, potentially this could completely melt and fall down this way, but you know, right here, I'm just shooting for, you know, 20 pips. I can come in, get my 20 pips, I'm solid. And another thing that could happen, this could completely crash and melt right now before the candle closes, and I could miss my move, and that's fine. Like, I have to be okay with that. You guys can't be so fucking greedy that you are so scared of missing out. You have so much FOMO that you jump in, because I'd much rather miss a move than lose money. Okay, that's what you have to understand, is we have to be okay missing a move, because we get more moves. Like this goes on all week, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, we got moves all week, but if we lose money, that's on us. That's on us. That's not something I'm trying to do. I just wanted to pull back a little bit, man. Nice little pullback. Close below this area, below this support. Nice little pullback. Will be nice. Nice. It might be GJ today, guys. It may be GJ. This gold looks fucking funky as hell. Let's see, maybe gold might look better on the 1 hour. Look at this, like, this ugly. And you know, it's playing with this within this zone, and this is what's probably gonna happen, is New York's gonna open and this thing's gonna fucking melt right here, start consolidating, and then push up, retest, and then probably just play within this fucking zone, which I do have a really nice zone to zone strategy that we can execute, but that's gonna take an all day thing. So I may take that over there to the Discord after the live, but I gotta wait to see some more confirmation, to be honest. I got a zone to zone strategy to trade in consolidation zones, basically where we use 1/10 of our original risk, and we get in on every pullback. So it's like, you know, you get in, like, let's say you were get in right here on a sell, and then it pulls back a bit. Because you only use 1/10 of your risk, you can get in another time and another time and another time, because it's going to eventually come back down, putting all those positions into profit, and then you have, you know, multiple positions at different price levels, then gaining your profit. So it really gives you a nice overview on, like, you get nice price entries because you have multiple chances to get in, right? That's another thing, you know, you guys understand this is a numbers game. You know, you're risking whatever your risk is, you know, 1 to 3%. You can break that up into multiple things, you know, like, let's say, you know, your normal risk is 2% risk, and that's 10 lots. You know, you don't have to take the whole 10 lots. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can jump in with, let's just jump in with half a lot. Let's see how it's working. And I'm talking about, like, if you're not that great with entries yet, you know what I'm saying? If you're not that great with entries, you know, jump in with less risk. And then if it goes against you and gives you a confirmation sign, then, you know, add your risk back to, you know, where you're supposed to be at. Like, or add another half or something, you know. Like you can play with these numbers, guys. Like that's another thing. Most people are like, oh, my risk is 10 lots, so whenever I jump in, I'm always going to jump in with the 10 lots. Like, you know, I think you can play with it a little bit and get away with some more, but you know, that's just me. Yeah, man, I think GJ is going to be the play. Look at that, pulling back nicely, pulling back nicely. Got about 12 minutes here. Really, we just want it to close below here, below this yellow line, yellow dotted line. Let's see what the losers are doing. GBP, JPY. Oh, 63% of them are short. Maybe we should buy it. GJ, no string. JPY has all the string. Well, they may be right on this one. Alright, so I'm going to calculate my risk real quick, guys, because we're getting closer. It's about 12 pips. Oh, let's see. Okay. Where am I at here? Okay. And guys, if you're part of my $10 to 1,000 challenge, and you're gonna jump in on this here in a minute, only the people that are live. I'm not gonna send it on the Discord, because you got to be quick with this. So if you're here and in the $10 challenge, congratulations. Just use a 0.01. Open up my Sponge account. All right. So we're ready to go here. Nice. What did I tell you guys? There's going to be a nice little pullback. Told you. I mean, I'm telling you guys, I've been doing this for a while. Like I just feel so in tune with it, man. Like I knew it was gonna come back a bit. Like most people would jump in here because they see it melting. They're like, oh, let's jump in, and then you ride all this pullback. And even this, we won't get in if it pulls back up here and closes above. We're not gonna get in. I want this candle to close below this yellow line. That's the only way I'm gonna get in. So pay attention to that. Okay, let's go. What time is it? 6:20 a.m. So right now we're in pre-New York. We've got about 40 minutes before New York open. Uh-oh, look at it. We got 9 minutes, guys. 9 minutes. 9 minutes before this candle close, and if it closes below the yellow line, we're gonna go ahead and take a sell. But just be patient, don't jump in, don't rush it. We're gonna get candle confirmation. This is how you execute, baby. Got about eight minutes here. It's a waiting game, you know. A waiting game. Yo, yesterday I was looking at gold, and the trade we took, we got in at 17.99, and that thing flew up to like 1806. So it's like 70 pips. I was like, man, if I would have held on to that thing, I'd have had a really nice bag. But sometimes you got to leave money on the table to be profitable. Got to be okay with that. Got about 7 minutes here, seven and a half minutes, waiting for this candle to close. We're just looking to get this range right here. Boom. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's get this quick bag. Let's get this quick bag. Hopefully, my Discord people jumped on this live. I got a lot of people messaging me yesterday that they missed the live gold call, and I'm like, well, sucks to suck. I mean, I called it live on YouTube. Go back and look at the video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, right now, if you're just joining us, guys, welcome to Lord Banks FX. Please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. Additionally, I do have a link to my Discord in the description. Everything's free. Setups, breakdowns, analysis, trade. Like, I mean, I give it all out. The lives are just for a quick setup, quick scalp during the New York session. But I am active all day in the Discord. Free education, free value. All right, we got about 6 minutes left here. Still waiting on this candle. It's holding nicely. I really like exactly where it's at. It would be real nice right there. Come on, baby, don't melt completely on me. Give me a nice entry, nice candle closure. Let's have a good Tuesday. Quick bag. Five and a half minutes left. Let's be patient. Be patient. Man, where's my? Oh, I have like a phone stand, and it's because like I execute off of my phone. About 5 minutes left. Still looking good. Still looking good. We're not in a trade yet, guys. If you're just joining us, we're not in a trade yet. We are looking at GJ, waiting for this candle to close. 30 minute. It's about 4.5 minutes before candle closure. If it closes below this yellow line, I'm jumping in, putting my stops above this bullish area right here, and targeting this low down here. Ideally, I just want 15-20 pips, and call it a day. We are about 30 minutes away from New York Open. Got about 4 minutes left here. Reconnection successful. Sorry guys, did we get disconnected for a second? Oh, what the fuck? Come on now. Let's look at it. Look at it. It's melting. 3 minutes in. Come on now. You know what? It's okay because usually there's a pullback with this impulse. So give it a second. Got 2.5 minutes. Don't do it to me, GJ. Be a nice setup. Don't be like that. Oh man. Come on now. No. It's like connecting and disconnecting. Sorry guys. Got about 2 minutes left. So obviously I'm not gonna get in down here. This is the risk to reward here is not it. See that? Not it. So hopefully it pulls back some, because this is not. Got about 1.5 minutes. All right, we got about 40 seconds left here, and I don't think we're gonna get in on this. Risk to reward is not it. Maybe if it pulls back a bit. I need it to come back up here, like 18, 17 seconds left. I'm not gonna chase a trade. Damn it. It's all good. It's all good. Would have been nice. Would have been. Hopefully this thing is reconnected. Like a break and retest on the 5 minute. That might have been it. Yeah, this. Well, maybe if we put it above here. It's because I just feel like it's. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get in, guys. I'm gonna get in on the GJ. Let's get in. All right, I'm in. But I'm adjusting my stop to above the previous wick, not up here. Previous wick, my stops are up here. And I'm targeting this, so it's like a 1.08 risk to reward. Not the greatest, but, and you know what, I think honestly, like, we have this level here, the wicks. It could work out in favor, and I knew it was gonna pull back a little bit. I knew that was gonna happen. Where is, okay, let's add it, let's add. Okay. See, look at that pullback. All right. So my entry price here is 152.66. Nice little pullback. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go down. Let's go down, baby. Come on. About break even here. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh fuck, did this thing stop? Maybe? Is the stream still on? I don't even know. Alright guys, remember 15-20 pips and we're out. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hopefully this thing is reconnecting for you guys. Sorry if you guys see me go in and out, but I'm still here. Hopefully you guys can still see me. Sorry about that, guys. But we are in an active trade. Took a sell here on GJ. Damn, man, this fucking internet. I don't know what the hell's going on, guys. The stream is just going crazy. It's whack. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's get this money. Who's in it with me? Who's in it with me? Who's making this money? We're in profits, baby. Little profits, but we in profits. Gotta celebrate them wins, you know what I'm saying? Come on, baby. Push down, push down, push down, push down. Honestly, I don't know why my stream thing is acting up. I'm sorry, guys. Hopefully you guys were able to get in when I got in and it wasn't too much of a like lag or anything like that. But I am in GJ in a cell in GJ. If you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday. New York session. I was about to say London session. New York session, 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I do have a link to my Discord in the description. Please consider subscribing and leave a like if you enjoyed the stream, if you made some money, if you learned something. Need to upgrade to 28.8 modem. Right, bro. I need to get that one gig up and down over here. Like, I'm about to have to get it installed myself. I don't know what the hell's going on. I usually never have problems, but I feel like ever since I decided to come back on my live streams, I started getting all these little issues, technicalities, and all kinds of randomness. All right, we're in a little bit of profit, guys. Congratulations if you jumped in on this with us. This is what patience does, baby. It pays. Patience pays. Man, my drink is getting all warm. Patience. Get Starlink sat from Tesla. Ordered mine. Oh, really? But I thought satellite internet was crap. How good is that? Yo, you know, Elon is down here in Texas. He is over here. I'm gonna look that up, bro. Starlink sat. Is it good or no? Or are you just bullshitting me? Super fast? Yeah? Okay. Beta test only. What does that mean? $100 a month. Oh, but the download speeds are... Well, I have faster download speeds than that. It says to like 150. I have 800. I guess the upload matters more, to be honest, really, for the streams. Come on, baby. Let's just melt. Let's melt. Oof. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Let's go. Come on now. All right, so if you're just joining us, guys, welcome to Lord Banks FX. My name is Lord Banks. I am your host, and I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central New York session. We are currently in an active trade. We took a sell here on GJ. Currently around entry, and we're waiting for this to melt. Waiting for it to melt. Let's go. We probably get that movement during New York Open, to be honest. Counting on that volume to kick in. Yeah, definitely. I think that when New York opens, that volume is going to kick in. It's going to push it down. Probably push it down pretty heavy too. All right, we're in a little bit of profits here. About 2 pips in profits. For real, getting faster too. Everyone is moving to Texas. Hope they don't ruin it. I know, man. Bro, don't even get me started. Like, it's like a lot of people are moving to Texas. I'm originally from Texas, guys. I was born and raised in Dallas. My office is in Austin. But yeah, there's a lot of people coming out to Texas, trying to change the culture and shit. It's not what we're about down here in Texas. We like things the way they are. Bro, yo, I'm here late, but here late as fuck, bro. We took a sell on GJ. I'm up right now 1 pip, so you can make a decision if you want to jump in or not. It's about a 10 pip risk, currently up 2 pips, so 12 pip risk for you. Currently in profits about 2-3 pips. Nothing special, just a little bag. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah, I think like probably in the next 15 minutes or so, this shit should melt. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. And I kept getting... All right. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing. Yo, where's oh, you know what? Ooh. Still only up about 2 pips. Telling you guys, wait for this this candle closure on the 30-minute because it's going to be New York open. Watch. Come on now, come on now. Come on, GJ, why are you playing with me? Got an instant profit. You're probably in drawdown now. I pulled up a little bit. Come on, GJ. See this volume come through. Hopefully my stream doesn't cut out anymore, man. That thing was annoying earlier. Gotta figure that out for you guys. All right, we got about 9.5 minutes left here on the 30-minute candle for GJ. We are in a current active trade. We took a sell on GJ, and as you can see, we're in a little bit of profit. It's not anything too special, but we are in a little bit of profit. Just kind of waiting here for that volume to kick in for the New York Open. US dollar to come in and push this thing down. I feel like everyone joins the stream late. They're getting in like, oh, did I miss the trade? I mean, the trade's one thing, guys, but like everything that I talked about before, leading up and going over and how, I think that's what's most important. You know, at the end of the day, like you guys gotta learn how to feed yourselves, you know. Done. Finish my green drink. Come on, baby. Push down. Got about 8 minutes left. About 2 pip profit here. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hope you guys are on the train. Hope you guys are on the train, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Might want to check your router. They get clogged. Buffer. I have a good one, but they still do a reset once a day. That trade is done. No trade. It's going to be choppy. Who is KB? That, what do you mean that trade is done, bro? What you mean that trade is done? What you mean, my boy? Gots to see it through. We got to see it through. Look at it. We're in profit right now. I don't know about you, man, but I'm in profit. Do you think it's through? Go ahead, jump out, brother. It's all good. It's all good. I get my bag every day. You must be new around here. KB must be new around here. Yo, someone tell KB who I am. I think he's new around here. He must not know. It's okay, bro. I get new people coming all the time. Got about 6 minutes left here for New York Open. About 2-3 pips in profit. Remember, guys, we're just going nice little 15-20 pip profit. Take our profit, call it a day. Quick move, quick move. We're not looking for anything special. No big moves here. Just pure price action trading. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We up 4 pips. Who gets excited over 4 pips? It's like, bro, when you throw a 50 lot, I mean, shit. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. We in profit. We in profit. All right, we got about 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left for New York Open. 5 minutes left on New York Open. And I want to just get in and hopefully within the first 15 minutes it come and hit my take profit, because remember we got USD news at 7:30. When I ain't trying to be in there. I'm not trying to be in all of that. Come on, baby. All right. Hold on a second. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. What is you doing? Got about 3.5 minutes left here. 3.5 minutes for the New York Open. About 4 pip profit. Come on, baby. 2.5 minutes left here. The hell? Come on now. Got about 1 minute and 45 seconds. About 1 minute left here. Hopefully this thing moves quick. Just jump down, get my TP. And let's call it a day. About 50 seconds left. Seconds. All right, New York Open. Let's get that volume in. Get that volume in, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Whip about 5 pips here. And here we go. 6 pips. And profit here. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Come on. Push. 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 Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on now. Let's get that volume in, baby. Let's get that volume in. By 7 pips in profit. Come on, baby. Push. Push. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I think it's got to create a little top wick, to be honest. Come on, dollar. Push it down. Push it down. Creating a little top wick. Damn, did y'all see gold? Gold fucking flew up. Being patient. Waiting for this thing to push down, baby, push down. We're 7 minutes into New York Open, guys. We gotta be a little patient here, a little patient. See that volume come into the market, see the market react, digest it, you know. And remember, when this candle, I told you guys we need to see the little top wick. It started out and it went straight down, like it had to create the little top wick. A little patient, a little patient. At least, I mean, the market doesn't have to do anything. When I say create the top wick, like I want to see a top wick. Gives me more confidence in the actual direction of the candle. You know, because if it just completely melts with no top wick, then I know it's gonna want to pull back a little bit, you know, retest that price. This way with the wick, I know it's tested price and it's pushed down, you know. We're in profit about 4 pips. Ooh. All right, guys, if you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks, and I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. Please consider subscribing, hit the like button if you got any value out of this video, if you made any money, if, you know, you just like hanging out. Also, there is a link to my Discord in the description. Everything's free. I don't charge for anything, so you don't have to worry about that. I get a lot of people asking me why I don't charge and that I should charge for like a premium signals group or mentorship type thing. Ooh, yes, I like that. Reject that, baby. Reject it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push down, baby. Push down. Damn. What is this news again? Previous 0.6, forecast 0.5. Bureau of Labor statistics. Changing the price of goods and services purchased by consumers. Okay. So if we get a good there, that should be good for us. Okay. Come on, let's get a melt, baby. Let's just get like a nice big candle down here. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, let's go. Hopefully my stream is still working. It was going out earlier. I think it looks like it's working. Imagine the stream goes out in mid-trade. You want to look at it at the on the 1 minute? Just being patient, guys. We're just being patient. Being patient here. And I kind of like trading New York session because like at 8 a.m. I already caught my bag, you know. If we can get a candle to break this low, I think we'll be fine. Just doing a lot of consolidation here. $7.15. That's actually pretty crazy looking at it on a 30-minute. Oh. Like look at this on the 30-minute. False. Like really breaking this here. This thing is on a free fall. Crazy, huh? But really, I mean, I'm just looking for this little quick move. Just a nice little quick move. If you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. This is your host, Lord Banks, and I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, New York session. We are in an active trade. We took a sell here on GJ, currently up about a pip, 2 pips, something like that. Something a little light. I'm just trying to catch this little quick move, 15-20 pips. If you are new here, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and check out the description. There's a link to my Discord. I send out trade setups throughout the day, and you have access to, you know, ask questions, learn, the whole community there. Come on, baby. What should be this fucking news that pushes us down? Telling you, as much as they want to knock the US dollar about how it's hyperinflated and it's gonna just come tumbling down, motherfucker's a goat. Keeps pulling through. Man, this is ugly. This little consolidation stuff right there. Oh, gold. What are you doing, gold? Oh, it's hitting our line to the top. But you know what? That's got to close out. Got about 40 minutes. Could call a setup for my Discord. I'll send that in the Discord. Let's finish this trade real quick, cause damn. Yo, oh, this thing is like flying up, look. Uh-oh. Getting awfully close here. Yo, if we close above this high, then I'm gonna close half my position. If the candle closes above the high. Oh. We got 9 minutes, so I want to see it close above. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna stay in. The reason I say that, that's just good risk management. Small losses, guys. This could just be a push up before the push down. Look at that. And there's some volume, some real volume coming into the market. Oof. This thing might just fucking spike up and stuff. Yeah. Things moving wild. At 10 minutes before that news comes out. Strength say. Chinese indicator. GBP down, JPY up. What is everybody losers doing? Still short. I mean, I feel them like it looks like a nice little short right here, especially if it breaks this area. But I'm just trying to like come test this area. I wouldn't consider this a test right there. Need more than that. Come on now. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push down. Give me a push down. Give me a push down. Give me a push down. Currently down 6 pips. We got about 5 minutes left here. Come on now. Mm. Down about seven pips. 3 minutes left here. Oh, it's about to hit my stop. You motherfucker. Oh. I think it just like wicked it and pulled back. I'm still in it. It has not closed me out. I'm about to hit my stop. Damn it, this motherfucker. Man, you know what? And it's probably just like, honestly, I think I'm gonna give it a little cushion here. To 80. Because I think it's pulling down. There you go. Come on, baby. Come back down, you fucking bitch. That's what I fucking thought. That's what I fucking thought. Come on now. Oh, come on now. Damn, this thing had me on the edge of my seat. It's pulling back down. That shit, it was close as fuck. It's probably, look at it, it's gonna spike it, watch. Oh, you son of a bitch. It's because all this fucking news, or the news that's coming out. I bet you anything that's what it is. Time is it? 7:30, yeah. News is coming out now. Oh, fuck. Damn, what the hell's going on here? Okay. That shit is spiky. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, yes, I got it. I got it. I got it. Let's go, baby. Let's go down, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Hit my take profit. Let's go. Come on. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. Let's go. Let's go. Push, 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 push. I think it's like jumping, man. I hate the fucking news, bro. I hate the news. I don't like the fucking holder in the news. This thing is trying to play me, man. This thing is trying to play me, and I'm not doing it today, GJ. I'm not doing it. Give me my money. Give me my money. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's hit take profit. Let's hit take profit. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, I'm closing, guys. I took my profit. Took my profit. Took my profit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Look, and that thing is still gonna fucking melt. Still gonna melt. Still gonna melt. Where's KB at? Where's KB at? I don't take no L's, baby. Look at that. Did you see that? I don't even look. Damn, I got all these comments. Hold on a second. Let's go. I'm with you, push, baby. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Woo! Hey, no, I'm not gonna lie though. This little move right here had me sweating, dog. I'm not gonna lie. Woo! Hey, that's a win though, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Congratulations, guys, if you took that win with me. Appreciate you guys for joining me, joining the live, showing me some love, giving me something to do besides trading by myself. Either way, Discord link is in the description if you guys want to join. If you're new here, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you guys made any money today. If not, I will catch you in the Discord and we'll run it up again. I'm gonna have a setup, I think, for gold because I really like the way this thing popped up and moved down. So I'm gonna send out a setup in Discord. So if you're in there, make sure you plug in. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I caught my bag. I need to calm down for a second because that thing had me on the edge of my seat. Either way, guys, much love. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you tomorrow for the next one. All right, peace.